The paradox of hedonism, or the pleasure paradox, suggests that actively pursuing pleasure as a primary goal often leads to less happiness and satisfaction. This idea underscores the counterintuitive notion that seeking pleasure for its own sake can make it more elusive and unsatisfying. Philosophers and psychologists have long explored the nature of happiness and the best ways to achieve it. According to the paradox of hedonism, individuals who focus intensely on seeking pleasure and avoiding pain may find themselves less content. The constant pursuit raises expectations, making the fleeting nature of pleasure less fulfilling and leaving individuals wanting more. This relentless chase can lead to feelings of emptiness, frustration, and unhappiness. Conversely, engaging in activities that are intrinsically rewarding and meaningful often leads to more sustained happiness. Pursuing hobbies, building relationships, helping others, and seeking personal growth are activities that bring joy indirectly, without an explicit focus on pleasure. Research supports this paradox, showing that people who prioritize meaningful and purposeful activities report higher overall life satisfaction. Shifting the focus from directly chasing pleasure to engaging in enriching experiences and fostering connections can lead to a deeper and more enduring sense of happiness. The paradox of hedonism teaches us that true contentment often arises not from chasing pleasure, but from living a balanced, meaningful life where joy is a natural byproduct. Please note that the individuals shown in this video are for illustrative purposes only. Thank you for watching.